Good job. You're doing a good job,
I did
Mr.
the
Ray,
laundry
my
today.
rescue man. You're
I
doing
did
a
the
good job.
pillowcases, and I did our bedding here, and I did all these towels here, and Nellie's clothing, and our pillowcases. Everything here is done. So now it's your turn, babes, because she's going to do the folding.
Okay, I'll do that. Okay, thank
Okay.
you for watching this. Okay,
Thank you for folding, babes.
okay, I will fold this, and this is the way I fold that towel. I fold that towel. I fold that towel. This is the way I fold that towel. I'm folding it right here like this. This is the way I fold that towel. I fold that towel. I fold that towel. This is the way I fold that towel. I'm doing it here now. And I will show how I fold the socks. I fold the socks. Where the socks? I'm gonna fold it like this. This is the way I fold the socks. I'm folding it right now. This is the way I fold the sock. Socks here, socks there, socks everywhere. So this is the towel that he was a while ago. My turn is to fold. And these are the pillowcases that he was washing a while ago, and the beddings too. He washes the beddings and my PJ and my clothes. But my turn is to fold and keep this away and put it inside the closet. And thank you for washing this. And this is our job every week, washing everything. And as a team, as a couple, we should work each other. Thank you for watching. This is Dumabag Inisita.